I raised me spyglass at dawn, lads, high on the starboard rail, and spotted the roundest beauties ever to grace a sailor's tale. A great tit perch so noble, by thunder what a sight! But the crew all winked and nudged at me, shouting, "Captain, that's last night." He loves his tits, he swears it's true, from the great to the blue, aye, each one he'll pursue. We're thinking curves and corsets where the lanterns are lit, but the captain claims he's speaking of the bird he's called tit. Seen a blue tit shimmering, lads, bright feathers in the air. You know I praise the wildlife, lads, I do it fair and square. But the crew start talking, barmaids grinning like a wicked pit, while I'm praising a tiny songbird with a breast of sapphire lit. He loves his tits, he swears it's true, from the great to the blue, aye, each one he'll pursue. We're picturing lasses laughing with a swing in every bit, but the captain points to treetop shouting, "Look, lads, it's a tit!" A cold tit danced at twilight, its feathers dark as tar, but the boatswain muttered low, "Captain's thinking where the women are." Then I praised the wee titmouse, she's a dainty little lass, and the tavern burst in laughter, spilling every mug and glass. He loves his tits, he swears it's true, from the coal to the mouse, aye, none he won't pursue. We're thinking blushing barmaids with a teasing little fit, but the captain means the feathered folk, the dainty birds called tit.
Oh, honey, listen at you talking about tits. You are making a poor barmaid blush, something fierce.
Lass, they're birds, small birds, that is all.
Birds are beauties, Captain. You always spot the pretty thing.
I like birds, truly.
And I like a man who likes birds.
So I'll drink me rum in peace, lads, and toast each little bird, though the body minds of sailors twist every single word. For a pirate loves the sea, lads, and he'll love what he damn well sees, whether it flutters in the branches or winks across the breeze. He loves his tits, he swears it's true, from the great to the blue, aye, he's loyal through and through. Be it bird or be it beauty, he'll salute it a bit, for the captain is a connoisseur of every kind of tit.